Hello, I'm Marta Evanson, Senior Designer with Living Water Landscapes. And I'm here with my clients, Monty and Kim, in the Red Rock community of Summerlin. We have just transformed the entire property, re-landscaped the front, the courtyard, the backyard, renovated the pool, had the house painted to really change the look of this property. We went through a long design process, material selection process to get from where we started to where we are today. So tell me, how was your experience with working with myself and Living Water?
From my perspective, the experience was fantastic. You guys managed the project from beginning to end and put the design together and then put it in action, and you can see the results.
I would say I would do work from home, so it was a convenient factor for me to be able to come out and speak to any of the folks who came out, any of the contractors, but they were very professional. If I had any questions, Darren and Marta were both a great combination and great partners throughout the whole process.
And so with the fact that the homeowners were working from home, Monty being working from afar in Florida, it was great that we had that communication with the text message thread because everybody was in touch with each other and we all knew what was going on. We're really proud of our team as well, the guys that show up here every day and take pride in the work that they do. How did you feel about working with our landscape teams?
The landscape team was awesome. They would ask me if I wanted to select where they put the plants. I said, nope, you guys are the designers. You guys go ahead and go straight for it. The plants are fabulous. They're beautiful, really flourishing with, we even did the watering system. So
we did put the fertilizer injector in because there's no nutrients in our soil here. So it really has helped feed the plants, and literally they were growing while we were installing them.
yes.
Yep.
So overall, what is the favorite part of this project?
Mine's the outdoor kitchen and the grill and the space right over there that was put in. They put in a spot for my green egg, which was really nice, and putting the extra bar seating out in front of the grill area. That's my favorite part.
The renovation of the pool. We used to have rocks all the way around the pool. It used to be brown and dingy. It's now bright and white and very Santorini colors. But I also like the fire pit area. We did transform and move that from one part of the backyard to over here. And it ties in nicely when you're sitting over here and looking at the pool.
And I love the aggregate that we used on the concrete in this area too. It ties in with all of the rock that we used in the landscape. And even though it's on a concrete surface, it's very easy to put furniture on here, but it really just flows with the ground cover that we have throughout. So one last question, would you recommend Living Water Landscapes and myself to others?
1000%.
Yeah,
We loved working with the entire team. Like I said, if we had any questions, they were very responsive. They gave us design options when we needed to make some changes. So very communicative, very great partners, 1000%.
Including working with the homeowners association. I mean, you guys did a great job filling out the paperwork and doing the needful stuff that got the project really going. So that was extra added bonus.
Well, wonderful. It's been a pleasure working with you guys, and I'm very appreciative that I've been able to transform your entire exterior of the home.
We appreciate working with you all too.
Yeah, thank you.